So in this video, I just want to explain how I did question 25 part D. This one is a requested question for this paper of 2020 May-June. So find the matrix X where X times A equal to 4 minus 2. So it is given to us that A is equal to 2 minus 3 and 0 minus 1. So how do you write the dimension of a matrix? You would say this matrix is a 2 by 2 matrix, right? 2 by 2 matrix, where 2 is a row by columns. So let's say, for example, what is this dimension? You would say this matrix is row is 1 and column is 2. So this one is a 1 by 2 matrix. So let's write this down. X we don't know, times A, which is a 2 by 2 matrix, equal to a 1 by 2 matrix. Now, how do we define matrix multiplication? So I will define this right here. So when you have a matrix, for example, m rows times n column multiplied by n times k column, this will give you m by k. Now, so using this formula, we have to find the values of m and n for x. So as you can see, m is equal to 1 and n is equal to 2. So x dimension will be 2. Sorry, it's m, which is 1 times 2. So dimension of x is 1 times 2, 1 by 2. So it means that it has 1 row and 2 columns. So x will look something like this. So 1 row and 2 column, which is 2 entries. But we don't know the value of x, so we can just write a, b for now. Now, since we know this already, we can replace back in the equation to find this value. So let's write this here. So x times a is equal to 4 minus 2. Now x we don't know, we call this ab, and a has been given to us as 2 minus 3, 0 minus 1, equal to 4 minus 2. Now we have to solve this. As you know, matrix multiplication will be rows by column. So a times 2 will be 2a. b, so we have to plus b times minus 3 minus 3b. That's the first entry, so rows by column. And this entry will be rows by column as well. a times 0 is 0, plus b times minus 1 is minus b. This will be equal to 4 minus 2. Now, this value here is equal to this value, and this value here is equal to this. So from this we have 0 minus b is equal to minus 2. So b is equal to 2. Now for this one, 2a minus 3b is equal to 4. And now replacing 2 here, you will have 2a minus 6 is equal to 4. So 2a is equal to 10. So a is equal to 5. Now, going back to the main form, x is ab. So x is equal to a, which is 5, and b will be 2. That is the matrix x. So another question you may have is, why is this n and this n here, right? Why does it have to be n and n? Why can I write t or k or whatever I want to write? Because matrix multiplication is only possible if the number of columns of the first one is equal to the number of rows of the second one. That's why these two needs to be the same for multiplication to be possible. So for example, m by n matrix, you can only multiply with a n by k matrix, and the result will be m by k. So using this formula, we can know the shape of a. A will be a 1 by 2 matrix, and then you can find the value of a and b to find the value of x. So that was this explanation. I hope that was somewhat helpful, and as always, thank you for watching. If you have any other questions, let me know. I will get back to you.